To show or hide profanity in live transcript in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe up home screen to access the screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen from accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements, and then tap live transcript. Tap settings. Scroll down settings screen, and then tap advanced. To show profanity, tap profanity, hide profanity switch until gray, or to hide, tap switch until blue. Tap switch until gray to show profanity, or tap switch until blue to hide profanity. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.